I was really happy to be a co-facilitator these last 2 days together with Millicent Liani, who works for the International Institute for Tropical Agriculture. It's really a workshop hosted by the Ukama Ustawi initiative, which is the Eastern Southern Africa Regional Integrated Initiative of the CGIAR. And so we wanted to really have a joint workshop in which we trained on the GenderUp methodology, which is a conversational workshop method that tries to really increase capacity surrounding responsible and inclusive scaling.
In my 20 years of working in the agricultural industry, mostly I've been concentrating on profitability, overlooking gender issues. But I think I've learned their importance, which is they're not included in our scaling up innovations. Mostly we are likely to fail.
We have an understanding of what scaling up is. That involves looking at how you intend to change minds, change cultural norms and values.
First and foremost, by nature of the project that we are implementing, gender and social inclusion are key. So in a nutshell, I would say the knowledge, especially on the methodology, on how to go about gender inclusion in the upscaling of technology has come in handy.
I've also actually learned on the GenderUp too, like whom are we supposed to include in our gender activities, meaning that we're not supposed to leave anybody behind. We need to consider the gender equality and social inclusion in all our innovation programs.
From what I've learned in this 2-day workshop, I intend to actually share it with the different divisions I work with within ZARI, share with the different departments which I'm participating in, and also with the other donor projects which we have.
I have learned about the GenderUp methodology of inclusiveness in an innovation. So for me as a researcher, that comes in quite handy because it has helped me to learn how to best be inclusive in my research work.
I would really encourage all partners to really carry this forward and not just treat this as a one-off training that they might have enjoyed or felt that it was useful, but actually really integrate it into their project design. And I think it's really intended as a scaling tool to raise awareness about different social dimensions, but it can also be used at different stages. So it could also be used during proposals and really to be used collaboratively with different partners to be able to assess how different social dimensions could be important for their innovation and scaling work, as well as a monitoring and evaluation approach to also think differently about what we're capturing in terms of how innovations are being accessed and used.